She's my ride or die, baby. She's my cool, she's my crazy, she's my laid back in the front seat.
Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This video is on feeding tips and what you can do to help your child be more comfortable during a mealtime. Now, some children are very sensory defensive to certain textures, not only in the mouth, but also on the fingertips. So if you have a child who is defensive, especially in the hand region, try allowing your child to use a fork or a spoon or some type of an eating instrument in order to get the food to their mouth. So rather than pick up watermelon, which might be juicy and sticky, have them use a fork or a little spoon. Okay, so the idea here is to take at least one layer of the aversion out when you're trying to work on sensory feeding skills. So you can certainly get a lot more into a child if they don't fear the touch and feel of the food on their hand. So consider these types of strategies if your child is really sensory defensive to picking up a type of finger food or something that we would expect to eat with a hand. Just instead give them a fork, a spoon, some kind of a utensil that would grab and pick up the food and see how that goes. This is one video in a video series, so please take a look at all the strategies in order to get more information on some feeding tips.
Boots, likes to slow dance to some old school. She take a full moon, no city nights and ice.